Hey everybody, welcome back to the house. It's me, Stacy of Design and Style with Stacy, and if it's your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for your continued support. If you have not hit that like and subscribe button, please do. I really would appreciate it. Now today's DIY, we're going to be creating some faux book boxes. With these boxes I purchased from Michael's Craft Store. They were on sale for $6.49, and if you have a coupon, you can get it even cheaper. It measures 7.5 by 9.5 inches, and we're going to jump right on into this DIY. Now, from here, I went on Google and searched out lion faces that I really liked. I picked these three. And once I did that, I just sent them over to my girlfriend for her to do her thing with the Cricut machine. Okay guys, these are the additional supplies I'll be using for this DIY. I ordered these felt, and they are self-adhesive. The felt liners from Amazon, and as you can see here, the Cricut cutout for the lion face. And this is the skew for this particular brand, and I'll link this down in the description box if you're interested, because these can be used for a number of projects. And for this one, I'm also using also from Amazon, the Deco metallic laminate. Okay, there you go. And I'll also link this in the description box down below if you're interested in purchasing this one. I like the finish on that one. I also have the actual graphic film. This is also from Amazon in the gold metallic. I'll link this one as well in the description box for you. I haven't used this one yet. For this project, I'm only using this one. As you can see, there's a slight variation, very slight variation in the color here. And I also I had to go purchase the transfer tape from Hobby Lobby. And I believe these were 50% off at the time of purchase. And it's just a clear transfer tape by the Paper Studio. Okay, let's go ahead and delve on into these projects. Okay guys, here's the white box completed. And I did not want it completely stark white. I wanted it distressed, as you can see here. So I didn't do any sanding to it because I wanted, again, the distressed look. Okay. Inside and out. And I'm gonna put one of the felt liners in the bottom here. The back book box, also completely painted with the distressed features here. I did not want it to be super shiny or perfect. I wanted the rustic look, and I wanted both boxes to be distressed. Okay, it's complete. It's matte, and I will be putting also a felt liner in the inside of these both boxes. Now we ran into a little situation, and we had to divert to a different solution. Earlier I showed you the Cricut cutout on the felt paper for the lion face, but it did not, as we began to pull it, we realized that it didn't really cut all the way through the way we thought it had. So I'm going to work with this for something else. We're going to figure out what actually happened. But in the meantime, and for this video purposes, this is the lion face I chose for the white box. Isn't it pretty? That's going to be gorgeous. And we use this Deco paper to do that one with. And since the felt one didn't come out, we had to go ahead and use the actual black vinyl for this face. Okay, that's the two there. And then we did one more, hope it's not really blinding you. We did one more larger lion face. We haven't peeled it back yet like we did this one, but it's the same paper here that we did for the black box. So what I'm going to do is have the gold on here on the black box, a gold one here on the white box, and on the back of this white box, to make it double duty, I'm going to place the black one. Okay, so from either side, however I decide to do it, or lay it, stand it, or style it, I have the option of having two different faces. Okay, now we're going to move on to applying the just dropping everything everywhere. We're going to go ahead and apply the transfer tape and begin to apply these pieces to the boxes. Hold tight, we're almost to the end so you can see how this turns out. Now at this point, everything was going according to plan. So far, so good. I didn't have any issues with that. However, my girlfriend did warn me that Stace, this may not work on this wood, on this raw wood. And I was like, girl, we got this. I'm going to make this work. We're going to make this happen. However, FYI, she was correct, because both faces on both sides of the boxes gave me a run for my money. As you will see, coming up here on both of the, as I show you, on both sides of the boxes, I really did my best to get it to adhere. Even though the boxes were spray painted with a gloss paint, it's still, you know, I had to really, really work with this. So just an FYI, guys, if you plan to do this, yeah, it's going to give you a run for your money. If anyone out there has any tips or tricks, if they've tried this before, please let me know down in the comment. I really would appreciate it. But we're just going to move right along. And as you can see, it would not adhere, but eventually it did. Like I said, it gave me a run for it. The black box, as you will see at the end, I had to come up with a totally different plan, because the larger gold face, it just would not go. It actually crumpled up. So I don't know if it was the laminate I was using versus actually using vinyl, but yeah. They gave your girl a run for her money, but I made it work in the end. So we'll just keep right on with the DIY here. Okay, this is what I meant by I had to come up with a totally different plan for the black box. I just used some gold washi tape that I had left over from a different project and created a stripe all the way around the book. And right at the end, you'll see that little fold there. I did correct that. Then I used a lion head ring that I had left over from another project and just adhered it to the spine of the book. And I was content. I was happy with the way it turned out for what I needed it for. So all in all, yes, I will try these projects again, but I'm going to try it differently next time. And I'll let you guys know how it came out. But as for right now, this is what we have, and I'm content. Also, I'm sorry guys, I did not realize that I was out of frame most of the time for this. I was trying to get this done before I left out of the door to go to work. So my apologies for that, but I did do my best to try to show you the outcome. So stay till the end because I did style all three books, both books for you, but three different stylings. If you stayed to the end, I want to thank you for watching and hanging in there with me. I appreciate you guys so, so much. Remember to stay woke and stay prayed up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.